We are here at a dry ice making facility here in Pekin, Illinois. You can see they have a bit of dry ice just sitting out in the parking lot here. This facility is probably pulling carbon dioxide from the nearby ethanol plant. There's a dumpster with a bunch of dry ice in it, but you can see the ethanol plant over in the distance, and some pipes coming off of it, coming over in this direction. Ethanol production produces carbon dioxide as a byproduct. And it's interesting because as ethanol production declines, and the availability of this fairly pure carbon dioxide also goes down. They're sort of intertwined with each other, at least in this area. So I'm here to talk about carbon dioxide, and what I have here is a stack of Lego bricks. It's about 100 bricks long here, and this represents the concentrations of various gases in Earth's atmosphere. We have 78 white bricks representing nitrogen gas. We've got 21 green bricks representing 21% oxygen in Earth's atmosphere. So we've got nitrogen and oxygen, major gases. That one black brick is 1% argon gas, and that little yellow brick represents about 400 parts per million carbon dioxide, which is sort of the Earth's average right now. That brick is getting bigger over time, which has scientists concerned. Okay, and I also have a carbon dioxide sensor here, and here in the parking lot, I don't know how well this is showing up, but it comes out at about 473 parts per million. Now, if we compare this to Mars's atmosphere, you can see that Mars's atmosphere has much lower pressure, so I'm representing that by a smaller brick, but Mars's atmosphere is predominantly carbon dioxide. And it turns out that near Mars's poles, you can actually get solid carbon dioxide out of dry ice. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this sensor over to the dry ice pile here, and we're going to see what we get just by putting it right over here next to the dry ice. And again, I don't know how well this shows up on the screen because it's pretty bright out here this morning, but we're up to 8,000, 9,000, 10,000 parts per million, and quite frankly I don't know what the upper limit of this sensor is, so it's coming in at about 10,090 parts per million carbon dioxide, which is again what you'd expect. So maybe in areas of Mars near the poles you might find bits of dry ice piles like this.